tape! Yeah, duct tape, baby!
Huh? What about this? But, this is the tape. I'm sorry.
Let's do the tape. Come, take a video.
Smile, you're on YouTube.
It's nice to work.
Yeah. This is
We're buying us all drinks now, right?
this is the.
Aren't there a couple other union guys that want to come hold this thing for you or something?
No, he needs 3 more to watch him do
No
it.
problem, man.
You want me to use that blade? I've gotten pretty good at it this week.
Yeah? There's always paperwork. There's always paperwork.
It's not going to hold.
Yes, it will.
This will.
It's fine. Wrap it around the whole seat.
While you're here, can I just help you a little bit here with this?
Yeah.
Let me show you real quick.
It ain't nothing but it.
Hey, are you certified by the FAA to do that?
You know what I'm saying? Like that? Rock and roll. You don't even need a blade, brother. Duct tape. You just do like that.
Yahoo.
Spirit. Another Spirit horse story.
One more right here, like that. Boom. Be done. Yeah, right. See?
You sure you're not from Canada? Yeah,
It's the Red Green Show. We're just waiting on paperwork.
Hey, can you leave the tape? Well, you should leave the tape.
What's your first and last name?